All right, globals from Chef Don. We go over the instructions again real quick here. I put a little blue tape here to protect the handle. Put our first string on the blade like this. We set in a chair like this. A professional stone. This is the secret to getting a quick, consistent, and professional edge. Made from aluminum oxide, impregnated with oil. You test the knife real quick here. Not too bad for being this dull. I'm going to put my first finger on the blade like this. I'm going to lock my wrist. Put the blade on the stone. Get my angle. My wrist is locked. Come back to the beginning here. Take a bow to see if the knife moves. The farther away my hand gets from my body, the harder it is to push. So I'm going to take my body right down here to the stone. My body's going to be doing all of the stroke. Clean your stone, clean the knife. I get my angle, lock my wrist. Come back to the beginning. As I go down, I'm going to let my elbow go out to keep this blade level on the stone. If I were just to go down like this part of the blade will not touch the stone. So as I go down, I let my elbow go out. Then I turn the blade over, put my thumb on the blade, get my angle, lock my wrist, then I'm going to bring my elbow in. In order to make this stroke, I'm going to bring my right shoulder back, my left shoulder forward, and my elbow up in the air. Right shoulder comes back, left shoulder comes back, elbow up in the air. Now, if I were to take away the stone, my knuckles follow the line of my leg. So putting the stone down, if you watch, the knife follows the line of my leg here. If I were to follow the stone, then my thumb's in trouble. So since I follow the line of my leg and I'm sharpening with my upper body, right shoulder comes back, left shoulder goes forward, elbow comes up in the air. As my elbow comes up in the air, my upper body is riding on that tip. So I have a consistent angle from hilt to tip. Love these globals. Made from Cremova, 1985. Went to the World's Fair. Turn the blade over. Put the thumb on the blade. Get my angle, lock my wrist. Bring my elbow in. If I weren't to bring my elbow in, I came down like this, and I have problems. Bring my elbow in. Follows the line of my leg. Right shoulder comes back. Left shoulder goes forward. Elbow comes up in the air. A consistent professional edge. My upper body is making the strokes. Okay, let's see how we're doing now. Okay. All right, I'm gonna finish this up. This is almost there. Nakiri Global. This knife is so wonderful for prep. It's so balanced and easy to use.